Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas 289. Today's video is very interesting for you. This is amazing videos laundry room decoration ideas. Very beautiful laundry room machines and laundry room wall decor and wall decoration ideas. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Today's video is for you, in which you will see the clothes washing machine automatically. It is an automatic machine and there is a very beautiful machine room with designing, and it is apart from this there are many lovely designs of machines, things which you can design free. Left the machines in your home and enjoy this video, and please like and subscribe this channel Home Decoration Ideas, latest designing United States country style. Here and there I show you a picture of home interior and home decoration ideas. Very beautiful design in your favorite home and in your favorite home interior and home backyard decoration ideas. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a link comments so that the upcoming video can reach you easily. And I show you a picture of home interior and home decoration design. It is very nice looking and very beautiful decor ideas, latest designing Arab country style and English country style here and there. I hope you liked this video, and I am really excited to share this video your friends and your families. And please like and subscribe this channel Home Decoration Design. Thanks for watching.